Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit offline on your Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. And once you open your browser, you would like to go here to the URL section and just type Google Docs and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course from here you would like to select the first link, which will take you into this page. Of course, from here you will be able to click at sign in to log in into your account if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, as you can see here from this option, you will be able to click at the sign up for free to create your account very quickly. It will not take too much time, and especially of course if you have a Google account. So once you did one of these options, which is signing in or signing up, all you need to do, you will find yourself here, of course, in this page before. And of course from here, as I said, all you need to do, just go and create a blank project if you want, or a blank document, or maybe if you have recent documents here, that will be cool to use. So of course you can, if you don't have any recent documents to work offline on, you can just go here and create like a blank one, or choose one of their templates here. So let me just go for me and create a blank one, and now I can just like write on a test. And now I'm just going to go back, and as you can see, this will be now my initial page, which has two recent documents. Of course, if I want to work offline or on any of those recent documents, all I need to do, just go to the three dots of any documents, click on it, and as you can see, we'll have this available offline option. If we turn it on, as you can see, you will need to download an extension, as you can see, to make documents available offline, and install the Google Docs offline extension to your Chrome browser, and simply hit the install button, and that will take you here. Add it to whatever browser you have, and you'll be able to start working offline whenever you want on your documents. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.